Best websites to download thesis and dissertation. In this video, I will tell you how to download thesis and dissertation easily. Step-by-step process. The first website which I will show you is Procast. The URL to this website is www.procast.com. Let's open this website. On the search bar, type Procast. Open this link. Procast, better research, better learning, better insights. This is the website. Procast is known for its applications and information services for libraries, providing access to dissertations, theses, ebooks, newspapers, periodicals, historical collections, governmental archives, cultural archives, and other aggregated databases. Here you can see many options like scholarly journals, books, audio and video, dissertation, and thesis. Click on all sources types. Here you will get many more options. Choose according to your requirement. As I am looking for dissertation and thesis, enter the keyword on which you want the dissertation. For example, my research topic is deep learning. I will write deep learning. Press enter. Here you go. In this way, you got a lot of dissertation thesis on the given topic. Here is the application date. You can choose any from here, like last 12 months, last 5 years, last 10 years, or custom date range. Click the one which you want. If you want this dissertation, click on Download option. In this way, you easily download a dissertation thesis. The second website which I will show you is SwatGanga. Let's open this website. On the search bar, type SwatGanga. Open this link. This is the website. This website is a platform for research students to deposit their PhD thesis and make it available to the entire scholarly community in open access. You can get thesis, synopsis, fellowship reports from this website. Here you have to search for the keywords. Like, I will write deep learning. Press enter. In this way, you got a list of theses on the given keyword. Upload date is mentioned, title is given, and researcher name. Click the one which you want. Chapter-wise PDF files are given. Download by clicking on them. In this way, you can easily download thesis. The third website which I will show you is EBSCO Open Dissertation. Let's open this website. On the search bar, type EBSCO Open Dissertation. Open this link. This is the website. Click on Access the dissertation. Search thousands of open dissertations. Enter the keyword here, like deep learning. Press enter. In this way, you got a number of dissertation. On the right side, you can see a lot of options like source type or results, dissertation. You can choose dissertation. University. By clicking on university, you can see name of a lot of universities. Click on the dissertation which you want. All the details of the dissertation are mentioned. On the right side, you can see the options of tools like Google Drive, OneDrive, Add to Folder, Print, Save, Cite, and many more. Click on the URL link given. You will be directed to a new website. Click on Download option. In this way, you got the dissertation easily. The fourth website which I will show you is aura.ox. Let's open this website. On the search bar, type aura.ox. Open this link. This is the website. Click on All Fields. You can select title, author or keyword. As I have a keyword to search, so I will select keyword option. Enter your keyword in the search box. Press enter. Here you go. You got a list. This is a thesis. This is a conference item. Again, conference item. From item type, you can select any option like thesis, journal article, conference item, data set, internet publication. I will select thesis. Now you got the list of thesis in given keyword. The green unlock sign shows file is available. Click on any one according to your requirement. Under Access document, you will get PDF document. Click on it. In this way, you got the thesis. The fifth website which I will show you is VTechWorks. Let's open this website. On the search bar, type VTechWorks. Open this link. This is the website. From here, you can search for the keyword. On the search bar, type the keyword. You got a number of research dissertation on the given keyword. You can also search by issue date, authors, titles, and subjects. Select the dissertation. In this way, you will be able to download dissertation for free. In this video, I have showed you best 5 websites to download thesis and dissertation easily. Tell me in the comment box below which website you use to download dissertation and thesis. Thank you for watching this video.